Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, namaste. I hope I covered with everyone. Yes. So we'll go with the complete chanting now. You can keep your audio on mute. We'll start with the 1, 2, 4. मनोबुद्ध्यहङ्कारचित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्रजिह्वे न च घ्राणनेत्रे न च व्योमभूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वाक्पाणिपादं न चोपस्थपायु चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ न मे वै मदो नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थो न वेदा न यज्ञ अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. So there are few extension. Purposefully I made this chanting very slow. If you have observed, I just gave a little bit extension everywhere. So we'll repeat once again at the end. So you can just notice where and all the extension is being given. So because right now most of you, your pronunciation is perfectly right. So I just want you to focus a little bit more on the right pronunciation, where we have to extend, where we need to press the letters. So where we call that as a Mahaprana and Dirghaswara. So Dirghaswara are the extensions, Mahaprana are the pressing the letters, stressing the letters. So in the next part of the practice sessions, you will be focusing more on the Dirghaswara, the extensions, and the Mahaprana, the stress one. Yeah. So we'll learn with the next two stanza, the last two stanza, 5th and 6th. You can keep your handouts with you. न मे मृत्यु 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 शंका शंका न मे मृत्यु शंका न मे जाति भेदः. Bhe needs to be stressed. भेदः न मे मृत्यु शंका न मे जाति भेदः न मे मृत्यु शंका न मे जाति भेदः. Yeah, we'll go with the next line. पिता नैव मे नैव माता. So just extend माता न जन्मः. पिता extend पिता नैव मे extend नैव माता extend न जन्मः. पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः. I'll repeat. पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः. We'll go with the third line. न बंधुर. Dha needs to be pressed. न बंधुर न मित्रम. न बंधुर बन्धुर् न मित्रं गुरुर् नैव शिष्यः. So here we have two types of a sha. First one she is a shiva and the next one sha is a shat. So where we have the sound of the air, though we feel the air. Shishyah. I'll repeat. Na bandhur. Na mitram. Gurur. So it's not just guru, we have to add the sounding. Gurur. Naiva. Shishyah. So I'll say from the beginning. Na me mrityu shanka. Na me jati bhedah pita naiva me naiva mata na janmaha na bandhur na mitram gurur naiva shishyah. Yeah? Okay. So we'll go with the tune, then I'll go with the meaning. Na me mrityu shanka, na me jati bedah, pita naiva me naiva mata na janmaha na bandhur na mitram gurur naiva shishyah chidananda rupah shivoham. So here the mrityu means the death. Shanka is a doubt. So the Adi Shankara will say here, I don't have a doubt. I don't even doubt the death. So I don't have a doubt on the death. Name jati beda. So beda is a discrimination. So here the jati can be taken in a different perspective. Either the community or the religion or the gender also. Male and female. Anyway. So I don't discriminate on any of these things. I don't have a doubt on the death also. Second line. Pita naiva, me naiva, matana janmaha. So, in this process, I don't have a father, I don't have a mother, I don't even believe in the birth process also. So, in the first, he will say that I don't have a death doubt, and the second, he will say there is no mother, no father, and the no birth. So, I don't have anything in this process. And the next line, he will say, na bandhu. Bandhu is a relative. And mitra is a friend. Guru is a teacher. Shishya is a disciple. So is telling that I am detached from all these things. So there is nothing. There is no guru, no disciple, no master, no mitra, no friend, no relative, nothing. So this is the detachment from all the kind of relations that we name it. So as you keep processing with this shloka every day, so as you repeat the shloka every day, so you will understand yourself more better. So that is the perspective of this shloka, why the Adi Shankaracharya gave this shloka. So we'll repeat it. I'll take it little faster, the same stanza. Na me mrityu shanka, na me jati bhedah, pita naiva me naiva mata na janmaha, na bandhur na mitram gurur naiva shishyah chidananda rupah shivoham. I'll repeat one more time, just observe the extensions a little carefully. Na me mrityu shanka, na me jati bhedah, pita naiva me naiva mata na janmaha, na बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. So any lines that you want me to repeat in this stanza? Okay. So we'll go with the sixth one, the last one. Aham nirvikalpo. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara. So ra and ka needs to be extended. Nirakara rupo. So po also need to be extended. Nirakara rupo. Ru and po little extension. I'll repeat. Aham nirvikalpo extend. Nirakara extend. Rupo. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara rupo. We'll go with the second line. Vibhu. Bhu needs to be stressed. Vibhu. Tvacha. Vibhutvacha. So combine both the letters. Vibhutvacha. So here in your split you have a 3 splits. Vibhutvacha. So I'll just add everything. So in the cha you have an extra ch. Just remove that extra ch. It should be just cha. So there is extra ch which emphasizes that you need to stress the cha. So we do not stress the cha here. Just remove the ch, extra ch. Yes. Vibhutvacha. Vibhutvacha. So ta and above, 2 letter combination. Tva. Vibhutvacha. So give an extension for a tva. Vibhutvacha. Sarvatra. Sarvatra. So ta is a combination, ta and a ra combination, tra. Sarvatra. Vibhutvacha. Sarvatra. Sarven Driyanam. So it is a combination of 2 words. Sarva plus Indriya. Sarva is everything or every. Indriya is a sense organs. So when I combine this, it will become Sarvendriyanam. Sarvendriyanam. So when you say the na, the tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. I'll split the word. Sarvendriyanam. So I just made the 2 split here. You can just do the additional splits. Sarvendriyanam. So nam needs to be extended. I'll repeat. Vibhutvacha. Sarvatra. Sarvendriyanam. Sarvendriyanam. I'll repeat the second line little faster. Vibhutvacha. Sarvatra. Sarvendriyanam. It's comfortable with the second line? I'll go with the third line. Na cha. So here na needs to be little simple one. It's not the na actually. It's just na. Na, but the cha extended. Na cha. Na cha. Sangata. Sangata. Na cha sangata. Naiva. Naiva. Muktir. Muktir. Meyaha. Meyaha. So when we say it little faster, the sangata will become sangatam. Na cha sangatam. Naiva. Muktir. Na meyaha. I'll repeat. Na cha extend. Sangatam. naiva muktir na meyaha. May needs to be extended. Meyaha. I'll repeat from the beginning. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara रूपो विभुत्वाच सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चा संगतं नैव मुक्तिर् न मेयः. So I'll go with the tune. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara roopo vibhutvacha sarvatra sarvendriyanam na cha sangatam naiva muktirna meyaha. चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं. So here the meaning is aham is I. So nirvikalpa is, so I am the one, I don't have any kind of vikalpa is first the deformations. So I don't have any doubt on the deformations. So I don't believe in any kind of a deformations. Then he will say nirakara rupa. So I don't even have the form. So akara is a form, nirakara is a formlessness. I don't even have the form. So I don't even believe in the deformation or the changes or the transformation, whatever you say. So I don't believe in any of these things. Vibhutvacha sarvatra. So vibhutva is existing. Sarvatra is every places. So indriya, I already told, is sense organs. So I am beyond all the sense organs. I exist everywhere. So that is the meaning of the second line. Vibhutvacha sarvatra sarvendriyanam na cha sangatam naiva muktir na meyaha. So here sangata is an attachment. So asangata is a detachment. So neither I don't have an attachment nor the detachment. So or not, I will believe in the mukti, the liberation also. And you can't even define or measure me. So meya is a defining or the measuring. So I am beyond the measuring, I am beyond the definable thing, I am beyond the liberation, and I don't have the attachment or the detachment. So that is the meaning of the last one. So I'll take it little faster, the last stanza. Aham nirvikalpo nirakara rupo vibhutvacha sarvatra sarvendriyanam na cha sangatam naiva muktirna meyaha chidanandarupaha shivoham shivoham. So we'll say from the beginning. Mano buddhyahankara chittani naham na cha shrotra jihve na cha ghrana netre na cha vyoma bhumir na tejo na vayuh chidanandarupaha shivoham shivoham na cha प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वा पाणिपादं न चोपस्थपायुः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहौ न मे वै मदो नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थो न वेदा न यज्ञ अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं न मे मृत्युशङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मः न बन्धुर्न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वा च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मे यः चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. So here we completed the Nirvana Shatakam. Tomorrow we'll be focusing on the complete reciting of the Nirvana Shatakam. So we'll try to recite, everyone will try our best to recite. So there is a little bit more strength. So let me see if possible everyone will recite the entire Nirvana Shatakam, because it is just a 6 stanza. It will be completed within a 5 to 6 minutes. So there might be little extension in tomorrow class, as that is a last class for this Nirvana Shatakam. So please do arrange your schedule according to that one. So we'll see tomorrow. I'll just review your videos whichever is being sent to me. Meanwhile, you can just send today's video by tomorrow 6 p.m. So I'll just review that one. I'll let you know if there are any corrections. But as far I am seeing, there is a perfect pronunciation. I don't see anything to be more focused. You can just focus a little bit more on the extensions, which is called as a Dirgha Swara and the Mahaprana. Apart from that, everyone are really doing wonderful. I'm so happy about that one. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to teach every one of you the Nirvana Shatakam.
Thank you. Thank you to you.
Thank you so much.
It is our pleasure. It's our pleasure, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll meet you all tomorrow at the same time. So we'll meet up tomorrow for the Nirvana Shatakam final reciting. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Good night.
Thank you.